NEET Counselling 2022 Mop-up round registration expected today. We have gone through the official website of NEET, that is nccnic.in. There is website MCC Medical Counseling Committee MCC. Here UG Medical Counseling, that's given here. Registration fee payment faculty for mop-up of UG counseling is available now. You can registration of mop-up counseling also. Final result of NEET 2G 2022 is declared. You can check. Go through this PDF. You can read all this article one by one. There is 273 pages. Round 1 cutoff is here. You can read all this. Government Medical College. There are 2378 pages. You can visit on the website mcc.in. Here you can search on Google mccnic.in. You can find that. Okay. If you like this video, so go through the next video to subscribe my channel Bihar Wala. Okay, see you next video.